Okay, Muhammad Rizky, you may start.
Yeah. All right. First of all, what are search engine and how we characterize them? We think they are the primary resource of information. So these are a high capital group like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. This group will be the ones that do the most of removing all the listing of these racist and sexist article on the web. So what do we mean and what is the categorical difference between what we will keep and what we will answer and remove? So we are going to remove all discriminatory content on the web. We answer that we will answer while removing this content. Thing is about the language of the content. So the language of the content cannot be overly emotional and portraying things of sensationalization. Issue. Second is the ideas that perpetrate and aggregate negative stereotype upon individuals. Thirdly, is the purpose of this media will be specifically to create no constructive value beyond spreading negative stereotype and hate within the world. So all these things like potentially sight and known to be able to perpetrate hateful content, those are things that we will not allow to be listed.
Okay, thank you, Muhammad Rizky. Okay, Reni, you can state your motion and then you can refute Muhammad's statement. Rani, your turn.
The first
Chacha, maybe you can replace Rani because there is so much noise there, yeah. Chacha, do you want to Chacha?
Yes,
you want
sir.
to replace Rani because there is so much noise in Rani? Hello, Chacha.
Yes, sir.
Okay, maybe you can replace Rani for a while because I think there is so much noise from Rani.
Am I audible, sir?
What? Pardon? Okay, Chacha.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can respond to Muhammad Rizky argument. Yeah. Could you respond it? Ya, kamu bisa ngasih argumennya gimana? Udah siapin belum?
Ini lanjut ke argumen aku kan?
Ya langsung aja. Argumen kamu
Oh
aja.
iya. Okay. My argument is I don't agree because everything in the search engine must be complete because information is very important for all kind of knowledge for mankind, especially as millennials who are all digital. We must know the news, what is on the search engine so that we can learn whether it's for research, information, and the like. Then the solution to deal with it so that we don't misunderstand. We must apply a disciplined attitude to learn, to have the courage to not immediately make a decision and then judge an object seen in research engine. We have to be wise in using the media. We have to sort, filter, and look for the truth first. If it felt that there is someone who really emphasis sexist, racist, or offensive. We have to find out everything ourselves by finding the truth first. Then the report to the appropriate authorities. This proves that we don't need to remove sexist, racist, and offensive content from the search engine. Maybe there is more and less, but it will be better if this content was not removed. We can scoop up some help for people in need, such as victims of sexist and racist and offensive. We can work hand in hand to help the victim, starting from a search engine. For example, donation of funds, guidance from psychologists, and so on. So here we can conclude it's good we don't need to abolish these things.
Okay, thank you, Nadia. You may respond to Chacha statement. No voice, Nadia. I cannot hear your voice. Please turn up the volume, please. Nggak keluar suaranya. Nggak usah pakai headset. Nggak usah pakai headset. Nadia, nggak usah pakai headset. Nggak kedengeran suaranya, nggak keluar. Belum keluar, belum kedengeran suaranya. Nadia, belum kedengeran suaranya. Oke, Fadilah. Fadilah. You can replace Nadia.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can replace Nadia for a while.
Maaf, ini saya baca argumen saya atau gimana?
Your argument.
Oke. Okay, I'm going to make it clear and
Halo,
tell
sir.
why executive position.
Wait. Yeah.
Saya sudah wait, sir.
Okay. Wah, kamu kok ada dua ya?
Wait.
Bisa ada dua
Iya,
begini?
sebentar saya live yang ini, sir, bentar. Wait, sir.
Oke, please.
Ganti format gimana? Wait, sir, wait.
I'm waiting.
Wait for me, sir. I'm ready, sir.
Yeah, please. You may start.
No. Let's just take a step back for a second. We told from the first proposition that we can discuss racism. That didn't mean that we could be racist. That was difference because we told you that we would be exclusive taking down articles and media that were specifically designed and tailored to exacerbate racist tendencies. News source that wanted to capitalize upon the sensationalization and irrealizationally of individual in order to exacerbate racist tendencies. That were the situation which is why when they said you will never have discourse under your side of the house at the point which you want to take down this information is crucial and important, not unique in any way. We also told you why told you why this information was particularly harmful is because you have things like algorithms that continually fed into the confirmation bias that individuals have, that the more we look at racist article, the more that pop us at the point at which we click on the pod and see thus as advertisement. It beats into subconscious bias.
Okay, thank you.
Dan
Fadila. I'm sorry. Rani.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Apakah suara saya terdengar jelas, sir?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. I'm Rani, and I'm the second speaker from negative team. By information, people deserve to know that there is still racism of a society and sexist. It must be available online as well, so that it can represent the community. For the community is a platform to show the world that the cause they are fighting for the reason for leaders part in the movement. Much worse, if they cannot find their anchor online. First, you don't know how to do it online search engine. Second, they will be more likely to do more courageous things like going to secret meeting or doing things inequally and harming minorities. Of course, the action is difficult to trace and much worse than when they do it online. Proposition team lose this debate immediately when they only want to play in their safe characterization of offensive and hateful content. They were only willing to defend. Proposition team don't think about the impact of rejection of the inclusion of result with sexist, racist, or offensive content. The problem is there will be millions of souls who expect support or find them online and appear in the main search engine. According to the opinion of the first speaker of the negative team, the main search engine can filter out things that are deviant. That means we can monitor movement in the search engines like Google, Yahoo, or Bing. Even though the machine has an obligation to filter information, the filtering doesn't cause people to not become racist, sex worker, and African American man who died on May 25, 2020, because a white man policeman Derek Chauvin stepped on his plain neck for at least 7 minutes. The case has triggered anger as well as extensive protests in the land of Uncle Sam to take to the street. But this is the first time the black president in US, Barack Obama, has discussed the death of George Floyd in front of the camera and spread on various platform. He gave an influential thought that support protest and fight peace, deducting important information. Even though sexist, racist, or offending content is massive losses, such as trying to protect people. When the information is only neutral, that's when the progressive movement dies because they don't have anything to fight for, no real damage. With the main search engines, people can identify and know their intention.
Okay, thank you, Rani. Okay, even though I cannot hear your voice quite clearly, yeah, and there is like disconnecting voice there, yeah, but that's okay. Fadila?
Yes, sir. Okay. I'm going to make it clear and tell you why exactly opposition was out on the burden state. They had to prove in 3 ways the principle, minorities, and discourse. We need to understand this in order to get social movements. All these were not true and premise progressive individuals are so rational and But at the same time, because if you really think that society is progressive and ready to accept the racism wasn't a problem, we do not understand why you wouldn't take that step and therefore take away this racist article from the internet. But the last thing I just want to mention is that a lot of their harms flowed from misunderstanding of our model. That's to say that we can still have news, we can still have history. We told you it's only at the point of which it is inflammatory in nature and design it in a way to exacerbate racist tendencies in a way individuals to reveal on specific traits. And also, I'm going to tell you the three things then. Firstly, on the principle. We told you why the duty for search engines to reverse sexist and racist information was intrinsically important because of the influence it has and because the exclusive search of information was one the culture normative in nature. We think that the internet was made for accessible knowledge and therefore we should have it to advance knowledge. We recognize and prove why exactly minorities in the status quo are far more important to accessibility to some more information. They wanted to talk about minorities who cannot vent out anger. I think let's just look at what minorities are doing in the status quo. This means that we are specifically talking about communities of individuals. Lastly, on this course, we told you why currently there is an incentive structure to continue moderating yourself at a point where you still want to influence and monetize your platform. So the conclusion is that we force individuals to be more tolerant, and for all those reasons, we're very good. Thank you.
Okay, Team 8, you can conclude your motion.
Okay. Let's sum up where we stand in this debate. We never said that we support hate. People know that racism exists and they know that this dangerous profanity and this language all roam around the society. But what they would prefer instead of hearing this word one more time is for a day to have information to keep herself safe, to not fall into the hands of sexual predator, to not go in dangerous area, to call on people to help people of minority. The important thing is their only opinion on our principle is that information can be limited if we can take practical classes. We automatically have principle as well. That's all, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you all for your participation for this TTS, for debating. Thank you very much. See you again next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.